How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with @Tech. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to add wireless charging to your desk. There's been a lot of videos recently showing you how to add wireless charging to your desk, but it's somewhat of a complicated process. It involves drilling a hole on the bottom and a bunch of stuff that I don't want to do to my desk if I'm not sure I'm going to keep it around. So this is what I came up with. Get a glass desk that is within a certain thickness, and it should transmit right through it. We've been using this desk in the studio for a couple months now, and I took a look the other day at how thick this glass was, and I thought that I might be able to transmit wireless power through it. So I just took a wireless charger like this one, put it under the desk, put my phone on top, and sure enough, it actually worked. So here is how to build the cheapest and easiest wireless charging desk. So for this, we want to look at what wireless charger we're going to use. This one right here is by Chroma. They no longer make it, but it works fine. Any other wireless charger should work as well. I took a look at the specifications for this wireless charger, and it can transmit at up to 8 millimeters. Then I took a look at how thick this glass was on the desk, and it turned out it was actually 6 millimeters thick. That's the thing you want to make sure on doing this project, is how thick your glass desk is. You want to make sure that it is thinner than the transmission distance of your wireless charger. If you already have a glass desk that is thick, make sure you get a powerful enough wireless charger. And if you are looking into buying a glass desk, also make sure that it is within the thickness of your ideal charger you're going to use. Once we pick our wireless charger, we're going to need to find a desk. This is a standing desk from Costco. It's somewhat expensive, but you can use pretty much any desk. I found basic clear glass desks on Craigslist for like $50 if you want to go that way and be really cheap. This one is tempered glass, it is frosted, and it has a built-in drawer right here where you can put stuff, but there are hollow spots where there's nothing underneath. Over here we've got our motor for the standing functionality, but up here in the corner and over here in the corner it's actually hollow. It's just glass right underneath. So once we get our desk and our wireless charger, you just need to mount it under there. That's the perfect thing, is that this glass is thin enough that it can transmit through. It's also a semi-permeable surface, so it can actually get through a little bit easier than solid wood, which is also very helpful for us. We don't need to cut a hole into our desk. We don't need to thin out any material. You simply just place this under your desk, find out where your hotspot is going to be to charge, and that's pretty much it. I just taped it because I didn't know if I was going to keep it around or not, but you can do it in a more permanent solution as well. The cool thing about this desk is that it has USB ports over here on the side where you can plug it right in. You can also plug it into any other place. So I got my cable here, and it was really easy. You just take this, pop it right under there, and then now we've got a wireless charging spot right there on the side. It works really nicely. It's a little slow, but that's expected for wireless charging. The great thing about a bigger wireless charger and a newer phone is that it's less sensitive to placement. So if you get a bigger wireless charger, you can have a little bit more wiggle room of where you can place your phone. So there you go. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this helped you out in picking your desk and wireless charger. It's actually a pretty neat solution. You don't have to do any modification to your desk at all. You just stick under a thin enough glass surface and it works really well. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with @Tech, and I will see you in the next one.